Wanda, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing y'all an old school, old-timey recipe from way back in the day when I was a little girl. Our pastor's wife at the time, Miss Teresa Murray, she used to make this all the time, and as y'all know, I like looking for older recipes and things that, you know, you can't find as much today. So my sister Lynn, she said, oh, you need to do Miss Teresa Murray's squash dressing. So that's what I'm gonna do for you today. Now some might confuse this with squash casserole. It is not the same. So just stay tuned. Don't tune me out yet. It is a squash dressing. But I am starting with some good old yellow squash here, and I'm just going to nip the little ends off of it and just going to cut it. I'm not going to do it thin. We want it to be about like this, and there you go. Whoo, that was way up close. All right, and
that's what I do.
That's what he does, y'all. Be all up in my business. And so I'm going to just cut these real quick, and I'm going to save myself some time and just cut it down the middle, because you cut it in fours. Zip it down the middle. I like to work smarter, not harder. Now, there we go. We'll just give these a cut. Get these cut up. Now, I'm going to guesstimate about 2.5 cups or so of squash. I may not need all of this, but I'm just going to snip it, chop it up. You can always add it to something else, or just have it some fried squash. Ain't that right, Rusty?
That's right.
It will not go to waste, honey.
It will not.
We love us some squash, and right now squash is, you know, you can still get you some squash out your garden. Some people's, according to what area you're in, it might be coming at your ears. This is a good recipe to try. And stretch it out. All right. Really don't take that much. So I'm just going to get this chopped up and show you what we do next. All right, I just got me some melted butter in here, and I'm going to put my squash in there, and I've already did my little chop on some onions. What goes better with squash than some onions, y'all? Yummy. Good old squash. I've got about a cup of onions in here. Y'all don't have to do all that. I guess I got happy chopping. My little chopper, y'all, my little doohickey, my little kitchen doodads. Alright, I'm just gonna, I'm not gonna put much salt on this, just a little bit, because we're gonna be adding to this some cream of mushroom soup, some sour cream, some Pepperidge Farm. I like the herb seasoned stuffing. It's got a really good flavor, y'all. I know you might have seen this recipe circulating around on TikTok or whatever. And they use cornbread, but this is an extra little zip. This was, like I said, an old recipe. So I'm just going to do a little salt there, a little black pepper, boop. And I just got a little butter in there. So we're just going to cook these down until they are tender, maybe about 5 minutes or so. And I'm going to throw this together and get it in the oven. This is a great side, or you know, it can be your main, however you want it to go. But I'm just gonna let it cook down for just a minute. All right, y'all, my squash has been cooking about 5 minutes. It's gotten a little tender. You don't want to cook too much. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add this cream of chicken in here. Come on out and play. Loud. Plop, plop. And give this a little stir. Don't want to stick on this. We're getting all this out of here. Let's get this. And I'm going to add a cup of sour cream. Done got me some cheese cut for this. It's gonna be delicious. Y'all, leave it to us Southerners to take a vegetable and make it not so healthy for you.
Get some carbs in there.
Yeah, just a few, just a little bit. Let me turn that down. That's a no-go. But Lord, we know what's good. I'll have to say we do know what's good. I'm gonna put a half.
I ain't never heard no such telling, no squash dressing.
No, he's another one for Russell that he don't know about.
Check another box of what I ain't ever heard of.
Yep.
Y'all let us know in the comments
if you ever heard of
if you've ever heard of squash dressing.
Yeah.
We'd love to know.
Yes, indeed. You should give this a stir. It's smelling good.
Well, I can tell by the ingredients I'm going to be a fan.
What's not to like,
That's exactly right.
What's not to like?
She got to telling me what was in this, and I'm like, well, that sounds pretty good.
That sounds pretty good. Cheese, you know, another thing, honey. We can't have a casserole. Well, it's not a casserole. It's a dressing. But we're going to put a little cheese in here. Not terrible amount. One of the recipes I seen it called for 2 cups of cheese. So, some little cheese here. Now, I've got a stick of butter in the microwave. Let's just make sure it's soft. Because we're going to take that melted butter and add with that as well. Now, I am going to put, Lauren is talking to me. Okay, it's good. I've already got it. We'll mix that over here. I'm going to go ahead and add, you want to add about 2 cups of this into this mix. And then we're going to save the rest to go on top, y'all. It's going to be so good. So I'm going to put 2 cups in here. I overflowed it with the first one, so I shorted the other one a little bit. Yummy, yummy. This and that Pepperidge Farm right there, it's so good. Sometimes I'll mix it in. I use it for my chicken casserole that we've cooked on here. It's just some good stuff. All right, I'm gonna get this mixed up. Get it mixed up really good. Look at that. It's looking like dressing, ain't it?
It is. It's looking
like dressing. And if the kids don't like some vegetables, this is a good way to get them in them.
Sneak it in on them, y'all.
Just sneak it in. Yeah. Sneak it in. You can cut your squash a little smaller and just sneak it right on in on them. All right. Here we go. Alrighty. Now, I'm going to move it over there, and I'm going to mix up the topping for it. Show you what I'll do. All right, we've got our inside now. We're gonna make the topping for it, and I do have a little butter casserole dish here. It's what it is. I just buttered it. I'm not sure if you have to or not, but
be on the safe side.
Be on the safe side. That's right. Let me just get me another little spoon. Now I've got a stick of melted butter. I'm just gonna pour this all in this. Get it stirred up. You will have that butter crispy crunch of the topping on top. So good, so good. All right, simple as that. This is a quick, really quick. Have my little doodad here, y'all. Churning that cheese, cutting that cheese on there. All right.
Smarter, not harder.
That's right. All right. We'll just put this in there. Just like so. Give it a little stir. Give it a little stir. All right. Then we're going to put our little crispity crunchity on the top here. Get all that goodness out. All right, sprinkle just like this. And I'm gonna bake this, I've got my oven set at 350. I'm gonna bake it till it's done. I'll let you know how long I bake it. But I'm going to start about 35-45 minutes and see where we're at with that. But I'll keep up with all that for y'all. Yummy, yummy. This is ready to go in the oven.
It looks really good,
It
y'all.
does, don't it?
It sure does.
Yummy. All right. I'll be back when it's out the oven and ready for a little taste. She cooked for right at 35 minutes and it is looking delicious. It's ready. We got us a little barbecue chicken on the side. Come on, Russell. He's gonna try this, y'all, for the first time.
Hey, y'all.
And tell us
Dad.
what he thinks.
Yeah, I've never tasted this before, y'all. I can tell you already, it ain't no casserole.
No.
A lot more bread.
It's a dressing.
A lot more bread to it than a casserole.
It's a dressing. It's like a mock dressing. Just a little, some little squash in it.
Well, we're going to go in for the kill right here.
All right. Go ahead.
Man.
That's good, ain't it?
What?
Good, good.
Y'all, I don't know what I've been missing in there. That's spectacular. Very good.
It is. The little buttery, crunchy topping on it, which I love that herb, the Pepperidge Farm herb stuffing anyway.
Man.
It can really dress the dish up. It's good stuff.
It's got a dressing taste too.
It does.
I'm
telling you. This is, if you're craving a little dressing and ain't Thanksgiving yet, you can throw this, whip this right up, and it's really good. It is. You could probably just add some chicken to this and
have a meal.
And have a little meal. That's right. I mean, in it, you know. You can substitute the squash or whatever, but it's really good.
That's good.
It's good. It's a way to get you a
A lot of people have vegetables come in, squash, and you get tired of eating fried squash, and you get tired of... Yeah.
Steam.
This is a different way of cooking it, y'all. That's a very different recipe. It's very good. Very good.
And it's a very old recipe. This, like I said, this dates way back to us being little at church, eating this at little church functions. So, really good, y'all.
Yeah, another hit.
I know I say it all the time, but give it a try.
Yeah, give this one a try, for real. This is very good.
You will not be disappointed.
Yep.
But anyway, y'all, I hope you have enjoyed this. And if you have any older recipes that you'd like me to do, I would love it. I love the older things.
Yes, share with us. Let us know. Get in them comments. Let us know.
Yes, honey. Get in there.
Love the interaction with y'all.
We do.
Yes.
But anyway, we appreciate all that have watched, all that still remains with us after all this time.
Yeah, all our faithful and even all the new people too.
Big old hugs to you.
Yes.
And until next time.